Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's start with open your contact list, for example, with the usage of the dialer. That's not true. Yes, that's true. Here we've got the contacts, so find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. I will pick this one. Now we have to tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon in the right upper corner, and tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle. So here we've got different albums, different sections from which we can choose the photo from. Here we can enter our own gallery. Now by tapping on the camera we can open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, where we've got our backed up photos, monograms, so we can just choose the first letter of the name or the surname, and change the font, change the background color, up to you. And then illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online, so it's a nice alternative if you cannot find a proper photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize. So just find the photo and tap on it. I will just choose this macaque, and here we've got the presets. And moreover, it doesn't matter if you will choose the illustration, something from the camera or your photo, you will be able to zoom in or out it, change the position of the photo, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle here is responsible for it. Of course, you can also change the size of this highlighted circle. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.